In this video, I'm going to show you how to get coconuts in Once Human. So this is by far the best and easiest coconut location in Once Human. Now, what you want to do, if we open up our map over here, you want to teleport to this teleportation tower over here. Now, as you can see, it's in the Broken Delta, and you can see my coordinates in the bottom right of my screen. If you have Mayor's Market unlocked already, just like I do, you want to teleport over here and drive to this teleportation tower. It's very close. It's 1.7 kilometers away, I think, or 0.7, excuse me. Or if you have it unlocked already, you can just teleport here easily. Now, once you've done that, you also want to make sure you have a chainsaw, okay? Now, chainsaw is this thing over here. I have it in my hands right now. And the way you can get this is if we open up our inventory in Memetics, you want to go to Infrastructure tab, which is the first one, and then you want to scroll down here to where it says chainsaw, okay? You want to unlock this and then craft it at an intermediate or advanced supplies workbench. As you can see, it requires a few materials, nothing special, and then once you get it, just as I said, teleport to this location and you will find a bunch of these palm trees. Now, what's also important before trying to get the coconuts is to look if they actually have coconuts on them. So as you can see, this one does, and then this one does as well. Sometimes it does happen, some of these trees do not have any, and those will not drop coconuts, of course, which makes sense. As you can see, there's plenty of these trees over here, and you only want to walk up to them, get out your chainsaw. You don't have to equip it manually, by the way, in case that's the only thing you have to farm trees in your inventory, and press F. And as you can see on my left, I just obtained one coconut, okay? And one more, and so on and so forth. It will give you quite a few coconuts for each and every single tree. Now, that's pretty much it. That's how to get coconuts easily in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.